Hello, HVAC owners. I'm talking to you. Listen to this demo call. This is how I answer your missed calls and book jobs 24/7.
Hello, this is Lisa with NYC Plumbing Solutions 24/7. How may I assist you today?
Yeah, we're having some issue with our water heater. Do you repair water heaters?
Yes, we do repair water heaters, including both standard and tankless models. Is your water heater completely out, or are you experiencing another issue? And is this an urgent situation, or would you like to schedule the next available appointment?
Yeah, it's just coming on and off, and a lot of time I have to go in and again light the pilot. And it's been like this maybe last couple of weeks. So I was thinking if you can have someone come in. Probably I'm taking a day off tomorrow. Can you set somebody come out tomorrow, probably around 3 p.m.?
Thank you for the details. We do have availability tomorrow, and 3 p.m. is open for a water heater repair visit. May I have your full name, phone number, service address, and email if available to confirm your appointment?
Yeah, this is Peter Santana, and my phone number is 718-555-1212, and I'm at 341 Canarsie Road, Brooklyn, New York.
Thank you, Peter. I have your name, phone number, and address. Could you please provide your email address if you have one? If not, that's okay. I can proceed with booking your appointment for tomorrow at 3 p.m. Also,
Correct.
just to confirm, is there anything else you'd like the technician to know about your water heater issue?
Yeah, just tell them give me a call before they come.
Your appointment for water heater repair is confirmed for tomorrow at 3 p.m. The technician will call you before arriving. If you need anything else or have questions, you can always call us at 917-830-4090. Thank you, Peter.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome, Peter. Your appointment is all set for tomorrow at 3 p.m. and the technician will call before arriving. Have a great day and thank you for choosing NYC Plumbing Solutions 24/7.